Good morning, good morning, good morning. Friday, the last day of the week. So on the 14th. Also, we're ushering the mid of the month as well. So we're gonna be looking at some different moves from Monday. But let's see what we did yesterday. This is what we did yesterday. Well, yesterday was not really a very good day. Let's look at it. Here we were looking for buys above this area, 23 was 23.17. We had this candle close above, but then the second candle that was supposed to be a confirmation candle came down. The next one just started from this point and pushed all the way down. So definitely, if you are in for buys from this candle close, you definitely went to stop loss. All right, yes. Then the market came down. This one, there was no warrant to enter this market because definitely the candle did not close below. It did not close below. The next one was just a doji. And then this is news. The news that I told you about, the unemployment claims. Yesterday, the PPIs pushed the market way up to this point. And then the unemployment claims took the market down again. All right. So after this, probably if you had a buy stop of around 23.17, that could now be activated and pushed to take profit too. That could have been an area for you to trade, but then it was not warranting for you to take an impulse entry or an execution, market execution. No, it did not really go as well as it. Basically, yesterday was not really a very good trading day. Let's just say that. I personally did not trade yesterday. Pretty much engaged. I didn't even get to look at the charts after I did the analysis. Then there was this push down again. This you could only have benefited from it if you had a sell stop below 23.05, which would have brought you to take profit too. So I'm gonna register majorly yesterday as not a very good trading day. So yep. I'd like to hear your stories about yesterday. How did it go? Did you get something out of the market? Did you hit stop loss? I think let's make it a conversation today. Make it a conversation on the chat. Just let me know how yesterday went. I was way out of the grid yesterday. I was not even anywhere near internet. So MRMS. So I didn't really check it out. So I can't say that I traded it. I didn't trade yesterday. By the way, it's okay not to trade every day. Okay, don't feel the pressure of you need to trade every day. You need to trade every day. No, do not put yourself into that pressure. Do not put yourself into that pressure. Sometimes you may not have a very good trading day. Stay away. Sometimes you may be engaged. It's about your sentiment. Stay away. Just let it flow. I mean, the market is not going anywhere. You know, we usually say the market, as long as different countries are using different currencies, this forex market is not going anywhere. It may become affected if we get to a point where the whole world will be using one coin. So that's now we can say, you can talk about it may affect the market may be ending, because it's all about exchange of currencies, right? One currency to the other. So as long as Kenya is using Kenya shillings, Tanzania is using Tanzania shillings. As when you travel to Tanzania, you need to change your money. So that's forex, right? When you travel to the US, you need US dollars. Doesn't matter how many Kenya shillings you have or how wealthy you are, you need to change them into dollars, right? All right, we're here. 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour. H1. Oh, no. No, this is H4, sorry. Yes, this is H4. This is H4 resistance. And this is H4 support. 1 hour. Which one? Resistance over there. Okay. So we're forming here something we could talk about being 30 minutes resistance. It's forming over here. Actually, I can tell you just by looking at this market that you're not going, it's not really going to be a very good, it's not really going to give us a very good move today. The market looks super slow, 30. But it happens like that when after we have had a series of huge moves. Like this week has been very busy. Last week and this week has been very busy with the NFP, CPI, FOMC, OPEC. All of them have been coming out. The ISM, the PMIs, PPIs yesterday, unemployment claims, ADP, they've been just following up each other. So it's been really great moves. So definitely anytime there's a major move following each other, what results is that the market goes in a standstill in a bit. It tries to find a footing on what is the common average number so that it can settle on that and then probably continue moving once the volumes resume. Other than that, boom, we're not really selling anything else over here. This is what I would say. I would say potential buys above this area. Potential buys above 23.12. 23.12. Take yourself to TP1. TP1, TP2. Over there, stop loss just below this point. Really not liking the sales, actually. To be honest, I don't really like the sales. But we have to find something that we can do should the market start pushing down. These are all going to be aggressive sales, to be honest. I don't really even like it because look at this. If we sell here, then there's this low. If we sell here below this point, then there's this low. If we sell below this point, then there's this low. It's actually very small, very small. We need a lot of volumes. We need volumes to pressure the market down. Otherwise, it doesn't really even sit well. Yeah, it doesn't really sit well, to be honest. I'll do here potential aggressive. Actually, I'm gonna call it risky. This is actually very risky. Yeah, I'm not really going to trade it actually. I'm actually not really going to take the sell. Even if it breaks below this point, I don't really like the sells, to be honest. My sentiments are against sells as at now. So I don't know about you, but yeah, I don't know, man. You make your own decision. For me, I don't think I don't really feel it. I need volumes. I need to see volumes in the market so that I can know that this thing can really happen. So just write it as an aggressive sell area. Over here, this is the potential buy area. I need a candle to close above this point so that I can push very quick from 23.11, 23.12 to 23.17. And then from that point, should we break above this, because it's possible to break it, it's gonna go to 23.24 all the way up here. That's about it. That is what I'm gonna be looking at today. That's what I'm gonna be looking at today. So let's see. Let's meet in the evening. We're gonna be talking about economic news data, just to understand the economic news that affect the markets. That is going to be a webinar by INGOT Brokers. and I'm gonna be hosting it. Okay. So if you're interested, again, do like you always do. Yep. Post, ask for the link. Great, guys. Just keep an eye on this. Let's see what we have for today. We will meet up in the evening. If you're interested for the webinar, let me know. Trade what you see and not what you think. Like always, that is our slogan over here, right? Bye-bye, guys.